for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to you. For say yeah, foreign minister, honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa. Me maybe offer no Okudzeto Kakawre. Whatever it means, I don't know what it means though. But on no friend size, it means so as young friend in Jen. On the foreign minister. Now sometimes when if you have tasted Annie before, Annie, now taste na jadi salt ebrewa. Sometimes star bi kakra. And that is what is happening with Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa as foreign minister. Ebushonfo. And Nana Akufo-Addo, okay, the foreign minister na Shile Ayoko Botwe, a very fine diplomat, brilliant diplomat, to the extent say when Akufo-Addo, okay, tenure echo we no Commonwealth for to me say there be mami we yeah man continue feel with this experience. And a Commonwealth for a voting man as the first female general secretary of the Commonwealth. They say it's a new position no. Commonwealth countries ni na on the secretary on the DNA. Now with this anadan no, now you expect say your mama ba, I take it very much, pay attention to who becomes foreign minister. Okudzeto Ablakwa, I say, onim ne oye. Or the South Foreign Ministry no, the di agro. On who ni who, and that's on bu ni who to say foreign top diplomat of Ghana. That he is supposed to be Debbie. And it's becoming so annoying. It's becoming so some way. Very much so. Adentia. Okudzeto to me try and trust he does not even think about the fact that Ghana foreign so you are dreaming deal. We are not dumb. First of all, most of the administration when I'm catching say John Mahama His Excellency, the private jet are using Ibrahim Mahama private jet no. Omano nke cost bia all the cost is going to Ibrahim. We say we try and draw. Then after some time no mujai private jet no Ibrahim Mahama jet no using. Mbeka say our current private jet presidential jet no is not in good shape. Akufo-Addo catch them we say en draw. Yes sir. And Okudzeto Beka say John Mahama His Excellency, we say they offer public commercial flights. And only for few days ago, John Mahama His Excellency, I offer very, very expensive private jet. They call Dubai. So that same private jet now they call Zambia. And see, can afford a business say, now Okudzeto Ablakwa, yeah, una oka say. President no on far private jet bioma. Na se Ghana for bisa assembly say we na can say the answer to give her. I think say the best thing to do is to keep quiet. The best thing to do is to shut your mouth. Ana Okudzeto yenko onko kana yentia or see sa private jet John Mahama His Excellency free no. Because Dubai for omu feel say John Mahama is celebrity. Person omu John Mahama nti. Omu ana omu di omu sika eko far private jet no. Eko hire private jet na over $15,000 per hour no. Emma John Mahama. How can you tell me this? How can you tell me this story? Okudzeto Ablakwa. I don't say you're dumb na. Na Zambia for nso omu na omu di same omu sika eko rent jet same jet Emma John Mahama. Na the end say Okudzeto say at the end Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa saying, see, there is nothing wrong for the president to take a private jet. adwemfe na adwebɔne na ɛwɔ wo Okudzeto a black wa wotirimu ntina na wo sorry anything na wo sorry tia Akufo-Addo say offer private jet. Me say I don't have a problem if the president take private jet. And now maybe is the time where Ghana for actual. Then no one has a beef with you. But San Tron kiti amuchano. Nkai say 2029 you'll be held accountable. Uka say weka sana no. We don't forget to we are writing all of them down. We are taking notes. So that if you see say you have spent a penny when you tell us say a sponsor that or number one say emra or my way. A whole number for I mean that must say a long video is up next. Politics as usual. You wouldn't want to miss it. You can support this channel by donating to the number screen. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Amen. When it's 2026, there ebeye sno konkora na the voice wouldn't be. Me chair will know what tea for. Na eya me busa me ho say. Enti my Ghana nkoa na yempa de pa na asese. Hwe ye campaign wo ho. Dr. Mawudu ba wo me aka say. Onim say yennuanom farmers akuafo no omo brain. Enti oye kuyani nessa wo bakre ko school university ya.
Yeah.
I remember so MPP government can say be sure omo free me boa.
Yeah, cocoa farmers man free university.
Yes. Hwe enema na Akufo-Addo eye ya na enka na koma ene nim de se ne me bi wo went me amfa to for ma anwie. Nanka Dr. Bawumia baya. Kasamrin kasa kokofo na wo mu ye didi no. Ebi asamrin komo omo mano. Ewo university abra omo worry about how they are going to pay their school fees. Me say o my Ghana se be ko ye ni ma. Just only MPP government. Na tele bia wo kan ye na ebi mo nte ase. Say ye we ma tan ti krom ha. Na wo bakra ko school kwa no ko gilon a. Na kura ni we school a. The year it will take that child to pay the school loan. Na oman penyini biaba. Also we kuyeni. Ebia mo salary no ana mo earn income no. Eye low. Said ye be na obaso nye mo bonti. Wadwene say obeboa ama wodo oba education ko ade a. Enipa no oba ta koko ni ba no. Ebetumi ko university. Abe boam adachi ebi anim ame kura no wotimi asoso abusua ni mu Ghana for CMP na bibusa no se no my Ghana kura na de ba asem ni obeti se first Kotoka International Airport ya yes sani chese mahame NDC fo enye we na Ghana fo so Kotoka no Ghana fo so se wo so wo ka se 24-hour care our economy no sense come what scam warm and no na Ghana for air show koko for na wo mu do wo ma ho woden mahama do koko na wo mu yetimi ntwia wo mu ka no Kotoka International Airport de wonye o hwe twe kuafo ne ka no mu no mo manya bibi ni nurses for the teachers for na wo mu ko strike no mahama leave Kotoka International Airport alone. Make your son for ne ka. So would this Ghana kwasheshe dollars ni mu na won scam wo my Ghana no. Na maybe anom Ghana for ye kan wantie. Ye kan na mo bi didi yatem. Eniema Dr. Bawumia ka so obeye no. Se me no mi odi akoma pane adwere pakot ekoto aba na. Ye kwa kromote na Nyankopon de amaye no. Ebe mo de mo de koji ntosi ni anwa ene akukọ. Ene moje de se no my Ghana siko. Eti de me can say and what should na makomo nyina no wenye nyame na amode kwa ho kyerem ye bad decision na you make ye and no kire sa bato e ho nsunsu aso enti se mo koto aba Mundwene ho nya bato no bidi ko akokɔ. Oh my God, and kwan you do about to be the akokɔ de mo. Any anwa. How much is this stuff here? No what their costs and we di. E bianke koto abane ma dot mod bo hwe na ekufa do ko. Sika na ekuafo mo nyi bi da moje. Ena mo tie esi edu nketi asem bi a wokeka. Esi edu nketi won so wono wo hu se mahama bedada mo. Wono ane mahama na mo hede esi edu nketi ekeka. Me de me ka fo dot mod bo wo mi ama wo. Se Yankopon ayadom. Ye dot mod bo wo mi a. NDC fuei mahama woni bibi papa bi ade mamu. Mahama obeskamu. What scam what my Ghana papa because near my 24 what care ya or can ye nay papa it me ye bibia. As mommy amano and the motion for your duco for faso. Motion for the government workers say faso. Wait, obey open you for saying you'll be the kumenchi. Sapatesio said dear Ben you no and then one I would do kukumutiakukum. Ain't 2028 Mama ye fa koma kone adwene kro. Enyema bebina dot modbo mi atoto fom. Bebre first Ghana woni idea. Ebe de na wokope boss akora wonya. Eneni nyina dr modbo mi ade atoto fom. Yes remo. Mama yemfa mpa bonta dot modbo mi achi. Se 2028 yokoto oba na. He mahama bai wo NDC ni a soft na mo sofri nyanya na you go through. Sada dot modbo mi aba. Nese obidin kunima. Enye MPP nkwa ne ho beto ye wo so ho beto obi. Mummy ye nyame kamon koto abanema dot mawudu ba wumia. Send ye be your my Ghana befa ntima pefra. E bia muso. The voice. Ye na ye Christopher. Enye nipa ba ko de Yakopon kasa kire no. Me no me ni ye campaign na ye campaign ma dot mawudu ba wumia se dot mawudu ba wumia menwi ni no. Na ye nim ne ma papa wo dot mawudu ba wumia mu ntia. Ye kan se Ghana fo ni grassroots fo. E beto abanema dot mawudu ba wumia. Ghana fo asofofo. Moye nyame ni penti ya na mempese ma no betia mo na mo gu mo ho ani mo ase papa especially sa sofu na wo say Dr. Mawudu ba wo mia ebenya stroke bi wo stroke wo MPP leadership no we send it back to the sender. Bible so asiesie ahode wo yenum na de bechechiru Yakopon bechechi de besane Yakopon besane Mrs. Obonefo na chechi Dr. Mawudu ba wo miom. We are sending it back to the sender. Bible said no weapon shall form against us shall prosper. Adi to sukro obi amosu soma dot mawudu ba wumia no. Onyame a wo si David hene no. Onyankopon si dot mawudu ba wumia hene. Bibia no mo ploto be ye adwuma. Ye bom pai di dot mawudu ba wumia hye Nyankopon sa. So Nyankopon bambon to no so. Onyame hye ne different obi na no ho amasem. Do bone for be hye no. Oni ne busua so me da ase bebre
me da Aunt Selena it's still possible but don't bring mommy wife 4 minutes Kotoka airport no who come and dey pass on one now it's still possible wada okay all right I think the next person will be Uncle Alice, right? Yes, I think Uncle Alice is the next person before AJ. Uncle Alex, good evening. Alex Yao. Okay. Agents. AJ, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, boss.
At the same
Yes, Wadom. We go so.
I mean, she don't know what my pa way. Yeah, see, I'm afraid my baby.
Wow.
Ghana for no. A room maybe honoma. A ya umupe. You find your woman. Because Nanado buy and Nanado tia examination fee. Examination fee crown and Kulane Quaquayan, or Mutia. To Suku Atare, a show Mumpabua, free education, me na menana kubi. Intiminim said in the city, no Ghana 14 could not have said Docno Echo 5 cities, said Docno Boyading. Docno. Omo forget it. A crown best start here, Obeko school, if you fit and say up to a maybe my life. A take example. We elementary school 1977.
Hey.
Now 1977 and we elementary school no.
77
1977 and we elementary school.
Gosh.
We from 4.
Ancestor.
Now maybe pe a year akwa go catch mommy in this car. Papa jame mommy. Me mommy swansa. Then I watch ya man grab back. Na papa mommy ko catch papa jame mommy. papa to ko ka jenso famenko school me papa so wonti me famenko enti me ofa okoka kire me ofa be fa me kutwa abe 1.5 years so ma obi ama wie from 40 kurase na me sa kutwa abe 1.5 years ye be fa makwa akomanda secondary school makwa elite entrance kwa me feli any 2 years kan e de me shame enti I know how education is enti mkoko wura mu no me all the time biana me platform bi am contribute am the media example year exams first year obi amatena kurase atwa be about a year ansana meko exams ni nipa 85 me di 59 ma bon me ho wienye yi until the following year madam for back from kojo sapon kuma a me si wono mu e kire ma de sua de saa mtimbe di second saa to form 5 from the government scholarship from form 2 to form 5 enti education there a key I woni padase ni bia brabom e wo wiase because according to me buy for France e kokotna education in secondary school French emission enti do France ma mre from France am ba Holland hay nam education no a menyaye no nti no language kura wusua enche no wate ase enti Ghana for no eduru mebi ho no ma ya na punishment bi ho na ne mebi ho no ma no ya deserve so munya o so munya but all the time no omu a omu inform ho no mo be victim because of yenuanom bi ensa omu de kutim yeso media it's time say Ghana government ya wono no obeti nani na free education obehwe ni yie na enema bi a atosini ewo ne hono no ode betu yie because enema na nsa ha ase ekono ene yesi dollar ene na no meti ano me ko internet so meti o ma yi no about gold reserves ene ho niema the whole world countries be a gold reserves near ina me check obi ade na me obi ade na so enema bi wono ma enko yie but then a bit maka is the government of the day and we hope